Welcome back to Anu's kitchen. Now it's the season of tomatoes. So today I am going to show a pickle variety using tomatoes. Now let's move on to the ingredients. 2 teaspoons of chili powder, required crystal salt, sesame oil, little tamarind, Asafoetida, Jaggery. And I have taken 1 kg of country tomatoes. Two teaspoons of mustard seeds. Now let's start the recipe. We have to light the flame and take big vessel, and you have to take the required amount of water for the tomatoes to soak in it, and we have to allow the water to boil very well. Now the water is boiled well. You have to wash the tomatoes with salt water and then keep the flame in low, and slowly you have to put one by one all the tomatoes into the hot water. Then switch off the flame and allow the tomatoes to get cool. The water should also become cool. Tomatoes are cool and the water is also cool. Now you have to drain the water, the tomatoes, and peel off the skin of the tomatoes. Peeled all the skins of all the tomatoes, and now we have to grind them in a mixie jar. Now the tomato paste is ready. Now the next step is we have to light the flame and take a pan and keep it in medium flame. Now pour sesame oil into the pan. You have to take little bit more oil for the pickle and allow the oil to get heated. Oil is heated. Now you have to put the mustard seeds and allow it to splutter. And to this itself we can add hing. When the mustard seeds starts spluttering, add the tomato paste slowly. And mix well. Now you can add the required crystal salt to the pickle and then mix well. We have to allow it to boil for more than 20 minutes, and remember, always keep it in medium flame and then allow it to boil for 20 minutes. Now the tomato paste has become thick. To this now you can add chili powder. 2 spoons I am adding. And mix it well. Putting the chili powder, stir it well and again allow it to cook for 5 minutes till it becomes thickened. In the end we have to add jaggery. Some people it's an optional, if you want you can add it, but just I have the habit of adding it for some of the pickles. And stir it well. Now the pickle is ready. You can see the oil started floating over the sides. So you can switch off the flame. And you can transfer it into a bowl. Tomato pickle is ready. You can store it in an airtight container and keep it in the refrigerator for nearly a month. Thank you so much.